advisor, you serve clients with different requirements or needs. And the key to solving all of them better? Categorization. Hi, I'm Sanchay from Sanchay CRM, and in this video, we are going to discuss the importance of client categorization in the financial advisory business. So, what is client categorization? Client categorization simply means grouping your clients based on some meaningful parameters so that you can understand, prioritize, and serve them in the best possible way. It's not just about organizing the data, it's also about tailoring your advice, your communication, and your attention so that every client feels valued and your business grows smarter. Also, for MFDs and advisors like you, it's your way to identify who deserves priority follow-ups, who needs personalized campaigns, and who drives the majority of your AUM growth. Now, on what basis can you categorize your clients? You can categorize your clients in many ways. The most common ones are, first, AUM. Like, you can categorize your clients based on their total investments with you. Second, SIP amounts, like their monthly investment, etc. Third, risk profile, like moderate, conservative, aggressive. Fourth, age brackets, like are your clients young professionals, mid-career people, or retirees. Fifth, location. You can categorize them based on metro versus tier 2, local versus NRI, etc. Sixth, occupation. You can categorize your clients based on their occupation, like are these people salaried, self-employed, or business owners. Now, all of these categorization and these categories of your clients would help you understand your clients and tailor your advice accordingly. Now, why categorize your clients? Because categorization brings clarity and because it helps you move from generic advice to personalized service. Let's take an example. Here's an example. Imagine you have 500 clients, but only 25 of them contribute to the 60% of your total AUM. If you don't categorize your clients, you might spend hours on smaller accounts while your top clients will feel ignored. But if you categorize your clients, you know where to focus your energy for the maximum impact. Let's take another example. Say you're running a campaign on retirement planning, and if you send these messages to all of your clients, chances are half of them will ignore it because it's irrelevant to them. But what if you send it to only your 40 plus clients with higher AUM? Then the chances of engagement, conversion, and satisfaction would increase. How to categorize clients in Sanchay CRM? Categorizing clients in Sanchay CRM is simple and easy. Let's take an example of AUM-based categorization. In CRM, this is how it would look like. Now, once the clients are categorized, Sanchay CRM provides you powerful reports and insights which will help you understand your business better. For example, you can see how many HNI, Super HNI, or other tiers of clients you have, how many clients haven't been categorized yet, and much more. We'll cover the actual process of categorization and further steps in a separate video. For now, the goal is to understand the concept and its importance. So let's talk about the long-term benefits. Over time, client categorization helps you build stronger, more personalized client relationships, retain your top clients for longer, nurture smaller clients having growth potential, upsell and cross-sell with better timings, and ultimately grow your AUM more consistently. This means stronger relationships, higher retention, and better business outcomes. Therefore, client categorization isn't just a data exercise. It's a strategy for growth, focus, and retention. In our next video, we'll take this one step further and show you how to identify your key clients inside Sanchay CRM. So don't miss it. Hope this video helped. Stay tuned for more and thank you for watching.